Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about display triangle pattern like this format. 5, 5 times, 4, 4 times, 3, 3 times, 2, 2 times, 1, 1 times. Let's see. Next I'm going to discuss about the try and method of this program. So if you debug the code, control comes to main method here after that coincide. So right here I have taken two integer variable. First is I, next j. So right here I start from 5. Let's check the condition 5 greater than equal to 1. Condition is true, that coincide. J start from 1. Check the condition 1 less than equal to I value 5. Condition is true, that coincide. So console cross dot write method. So that print I value. So I value is now 5, 5 print. Hereafter that go up increase the value of j. So j is 2 now. Check the condition 2 less than equal to 5. Condition is true, that coincide here. That print I value. So 5 print. Hereafter j increase, so j is 3 now. Check the condition 3 less than equal to 5. Condition is true, that coincide here. That print I value. So 5 print. Hereafter j increase, so j is 4 now. Check the condition 4 less than equal to 5. Condition is true, that coincide here. That print I value. So 5 print. Hereafter j increase, so j is now 5. Check the condition 5 equal to 5. Condition is true, that coincide. That print I value. So 5 print. Hereafter j increase, so j is now 5 to 6. Check the condition 6 less than equal to 5. Condition is not true, that not coincide. Hereafter control comes to this point. Console class dot write line method. Then cursor bring to the new line. Hereafter that go and decrease the value of I. So I is 4 now. Check the condition 4 greater than equal to 1. Condition is true, that coincide. J value start from 1. And here check the condition 1 less than equal to 4. Condition is true, that coincide. That print I value. So 4 print. Hereafter J increase, so J is 2 now. Check the condition 2 less than equal to 4. Condition is true, that coincide here. That print I value. So 4 print. Hereafter J increase, so J is 3 now. Check the condition 3 less than equal to 4. Condition is true, that coincide. That print I value. So 4 print. Hereafter 4 equal to 4. That coincide. Here that print I value. So 4 print. Hereafter J is now 5. Check the condition 5 less than equal to 4. Condition is not true. J value is 5. I value is 4. So that not coincide here. Console class dot write method. Then cursor bring to the new line. Hereafter that go up, decrease the value of I. So I is 3 now. Check the condition 3 greater than equal to 1. Condition is 2. Add here. J value start from 1 again. Check the condition 1 less than equal to I value 3. 1 less than equal to 3. Condition is 2. That print I value. So 3 print. Hereafter j increase, so j is 2 now. Check the condition 2 less than equal to 3. Condition is 2. That coincide. That print I value. So 3 print. Hereafter j increase, so j is 3 now. Check the condition 3 less than 3 equal to 3. Condition is 2. That coincide. That print I value. So 3 print. Hereafter j increase, so j is 4 now. Check the condition 4 less than equal to 3. Condition is not true, not coincide. Hereafter control comes to this point. Console class dot write line method. Then cursor bring to the new line. Hereafter that go up and decrease the value of I. So I is 2 now. Check the condition 2 greater than 1. Condition is 2. That coincide. J value start from 1. Check the condition 1 less than equal to 2. Condition is 2. That coincide. That print I value. So I value is not 2. 2 print. Hereafter that go up and increase the value of j. So j is 2 now. Check the condition 2 equal to 2. Condition is 2. That coincide. That print I value 2 print. Hereafter j increase, so j is 3 now. Check the condition 3 less than equal to 2. Condition is not true, not coincide. Hereafter control comes to this point. Console class dot write line method. Then cursor bring to the new line. Hereafter that go up and decrease the value of I. So I is 1 now. Check the condition 1 equal to 1. Condition is 2. That coincide. J value start from 1. Here check the condition 1 equal to 1. Condition is 2. That coincide here. That print I value. So 1 print. Hereafter j increase, so j is 2 now. Either condition 2 less than equal to 1, condition is not true, not coincide. Hereafter control comes to this point, console class dot write line method, then cursor bring to the new line. Hereafter that go up and decrease the value of I, so I is now 0. See the condition 0 greater than equal to 1, condition is not true, not coincide. Hereafter control comes to this point. So enter console class dot readline method, then that take one input from keyboard and terminate the output scheme. And next that out from main function. So this is the output we get, and this is the trial method of this program. So I hope guys you understand. So thanks for watching. See you next week.